Introducing our Cloze Passage Generator, giving you the ability to generate personalized cloze passages in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enter details. Begin by entering the concept for cloze passage, key vocabulary in the year group. Once you've provided these details, click Generate, and our powerful AI gets to work, generating tailored teaching ideas instantly. Now, take a moment to review the AI-generated response. If needed, you can make any necessary edits directly in the user-friendly interface. Want more options? Click Regenerate for alternative suggestions. Our AI is here to provide you with a variety of teaching ideas based on your input. Once you've fine-tuned your lesson plan, the next steps are a breeze. Export it as a PDF or simply copy it for immediate use. Teach smarter. Use Help Me Teach.